Take two. So, today is day 2 of our project. I didn't post an update of day 1 yesterday because day 1 went as often projects go on day 1, and not a whole lot got done because we had equipment malfunctions. So I will show you what we accomplished on day 1, but this is day 2, and I'm starting here with our flower field behind me so that you can get an idea of where this project is taking place. Right here. So once it's finished, we haven't come up with a name for it yet. I've been calling it the glass house. Someone dubbed it the window hut. I don't like either one of those. But for now, I'm calling it my window workshop. It's going to be made of all antique windows that I've been saving for 2 years. I have 135 windows. I just recounted. I thought I only had like 120, but there's 135. So here's a quick tour of what we've got going on. Okay, so this is Wesley over here, who is, he's touching up my benches that we had tried to hand paint, and these are going to be going in the flower field in the venue. But he has been spray painting all of the lumber for our building so that we don't have to paint it once it's up. It'll just already be painted. And he actually taught us something about painting the entire window. You save a lot of time not having to tape or put paper over the glass. If you paint the entire window, then you also end up painting the seal, and the paint just peels right off like tape, but even easier. So I'll get a demonstration of that tomorrow. We're wrapping up today, but yeah, Wesley is doing a bang up job. I was not looking forward to having to finish hand painting these benches. So here's all the windows. And yeah, this is my little cargo trailer that was full. Oh, there's more windows. Oh my gosh, I didn't see these windows. There's more windows still in here. So there's more than 135, and there's windows back here. We just got windows coming out of every place. So yeah, all these windows. And some interesting windows, some small windows, some skinny windows, some around here. I've got some 9-pane windows. These over here are my favorites. These are the diamond pane windows. If you ever watch Young Sheldon, pay attention to the house that the Sheldons live in. They have those windows in the front of their house. So we've got all these windows, and here's Peppy and Scott on the production line of cleaning up the windows, scraping, cleaning, blowing off, and
blowing off.
Yeah. So there on the other side of that tree is where it's going to go. So I will give an update tomorrow. Hopefully we'll be able to get some framing done, because I have to make another wood run to Summertown. So stay tuned.